In this section, we will explain how to create non-motorized lanes, laying the foundation for building mixed-flow intersections. Click File to open Signal Intersection. Just like creating motorized lanes, click Create Links. Then drag to create a link at the target location on the road network. In the pop-up Create Link window, select link type as non-motorized lane. And we can get the number of lanes to 1 and lane width to 2 meters. A non-motorized lane is now created. Use the same method to create non-motorized lanes on other approaches and exits. Next, click Create Connector to create internal non-motorized lanes at the intersection, following the same method as in previous lessons. Right-click to select the Start link. Drag to the End link and release the mouse. The Create Connector window will pop up. And a left turn connector is now created. Use the same method to create other connectors. And we have completed the creation of non-motorized lanes. In Vehicle Composition, create a non-motorized vehicle. Add a new composition. The vehicle type is a scooter and the bicycle. They are both non-motorized vehicle. To click OK. Then, select Traffic Input to create a traffic input point on the non-motorized lane. And set the corresponding departure volume. Click Start Simulation. And you can see that only non-motorized vehicles are traveling on the non-motorized lanes. Switch to 3D view. TESS NG has built-in 3D models for non-motorized vehicles. The lanes we just created are dedicated non-motorized lanes. But in some intersection scenarios, motorized and non-motorized vehicles share the road. In such cases, we can change the outermost lane of the approach to a mixed lane. Double-click the link, and we can change the behavior type of the lane number 1 to mixed lane. Click OK. Use the same method to change the approach lane. Click OK. At the same time, change the vehicle type at the traffic input point to a mix of motorized and non-motorized vehicles. Click Start Simulation again. And you can see that both motorized and non-motorized vehicles are traveling on the outermost lane, with proper interaction and no collisions.